Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a Hyundai Tucson. Customer complained about our sunroof doesn't close properly. So most of the time the problem will be it's our tilt lever on the sunroof, because the other end of those um, sliding mechanism there is rubber only. So could be some dirt there or it's all worn out. So I'm just gonna show you today on how to replace that, and we'll see from there. So as you can see, we got our cover here and our panoramic roof and our headliner. Make sure that we adjusted it properly. Adjust it like we open it slightly, and you can remove this cover. You just have to pull it. This is just slide in. Come on. Okay. So as you can see there, we got two on the front, one on the middle, and one on the farther end. So it's either you just adjust your roof so that you can access it. Okay. It's clear enough. I think so. And then we're just gonna use our, I think that's T25. Yeah. So you use a Torx T25. And then we're going to do the same on our other side of the panoramic roof. So the same thing, just remove this cover here. And you're gonna see that screws there. Okay, so now all our mounting bolts for the sunroof is out. We're gonna remove our sunroof. So usually when you do this job, you ask for an assistant to remove it, but you can also do it yourself. So just slide it out. Be careful. So we got our sunroof now out. and there's just one bolt or screw that's holding each guides. You just have to remove that, and I'll show you what's the damaged one. So the same thing, it's T25 for the screws. Boy, I'm just spinning. So as you can see in here, that there's some like a slot that's going in there. So right now it's just spinning. So I'm just gonna grab a vice grip to hold it on that place where I can remove. Okay, so you see that why I did this. I just vice grip this whole end here, and then that's it. So I don't know if you will see that. I don't know if you will see that. You see that square, and this guy should be on that end place. So I'll show you too what's the problem. See this rubber here, it's all dirt there and worn out compared with our new one, right? And also there's designation, as you can see there, and also there's a designation that says your left hand, so you have to install it in a right location. So I'm gonna remove our other side and install the new ones. Okay, so that's good. Using a air gun. Oh. So next is, before we install this, we're gonna clean our roof where it goes in, these guys, and we're just gonna use our air blower and apply some grease there. So I use white grease on it, so you can just spray there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just blow some air there and maybe clean all those debris there in case something is get stuck there. And we're gonna install our roof again, our sunroof. So now, to install this whole roof, the tricky part is, I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, this area here, and this is our old one. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how we're gonna install this. So this part here, make sure that both of them will go inside the track. So as you can see there, that's hole, so that should go in there, right? And that's how we're gonna do it on our new one there with the roof itself. So I highly suggest, if you have some assistant or you have someone to help you, that's gonna be easier. I'm gonna try first if I can do it. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. So if you're gonna do it alone, it's gonna be challenging because you're gonna go back and forth to line up that guides. And so when you put the guides on the rail, make sure all the whole assembly will go back and forth. So now we're just gonna line up the holes for the mounting screws. And also, as you can see here, this deflector is it has a spring type mechanism. Sometimes it's restricting this roof to move it back and forth. So just bear in mind that you have this deflector, you can push it down, and so that you can move your sunroof. So I'm just gonna line up the roof to the holes and we'll install our mounting screws. So once you line that up, now we can put our screws. So I was able to put all our mounting screws, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna adjust this whole roof. And as you can see, there an old mark from the installation before. We're just gonna match our screws there, and then to finalize if all are level, we're gonna close our whole sunroof and see the exterior side of the vehicle if there's some irregularities on that level on the roof. So I'm just gonna go and tighten those mounting screws and see from there. So now we're done with mounting our screws, so we're gonna try to open and close this, make sure that it's working smoothly. And we're just gonna close it. Now we can also lubricate it more, right? That's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.